Hello everyone, welcome to LRDIprep. My name is Samir Sardana, a Plus educator on Unacademy, and you can attend my live classes on Unacademy Plus for CAT exam preparation for CAT 2021 as well as for other MBA entrance exam. And you can subscribe to Unacademy Plus using my referral code LRDISMEET to get 10% off on Unacademy Plus subscription. The profile link, uh, my profile link for on Unacademy Plus is given in the description part of the video. You can also visit my profile to access free special classes, and you have to use this code to attend all of my free special classes. In this video, I'll be discussing CAT 2020 Slot 1 Quant questions from Algebra with 1 minute 1 question approach. And you see that the questions of Algebra are also very simple that were asked in CAT 2020 Slot 1 paper. This is the question number 13 that we are discussing. Actually, it's a question number 14. We have discussed 13 questions till now. So this is an algebra question that was asked in slot 1. Again, a simple, straightforward question. Number of real valued solution of the equation. We are supposed to find out the real valued solution to the equation 2 power x plus 2 power minus x is 1 upon 2 power x is equal to 2 minus x minus 2 whole square. Any student who have read the basics of algebra can solve the question in 10 seconds. You can clearly see that the left hand side of the expression is definitely greater than equal to 2. Why it is greater than equal to 2? Because the standard definition, right? The 2 power x, the value of 2 power x is definitely going to be greater than equal to 0, right? Whatever value of x you put over here, right, this expression will never be less than equal to 2. Why it is so? You can put, if I put the x as 0, you see that 2 power 0 plus 1 upon 2 power 0 is 1 plus 1, that is 2. And that's the least possible value, that's a minimum possible value of this expression. And the right hand side of the expression you can see is definitely less than 2, because when you are subtracting something from 2 here, the resultant value is definitely going to be less than 2. So your right hand side of the expression is definitely less than equal to, and your left hand side of the expression is definitely greater than equal to 2. The only possible way to have a solution is that this expression as well as this expression becomes equal to 2. And we know that this expression will become equal to 2 only at x equal to 0. But once you put x equal to 0 here, 2 minus 0 minus 2 whole square will give you a negative value, right? If I put x as 0 here, 2 minus 2 whole square is minus 2. It is not equal to 2. So at x equal to 0, it is 2. So that means when this expression is equal to 2, this expression is not equal to 2 at this, right, at the value of x. That means there is no solution that will exist. There is no value of x for which this expression will be equal to this expression. You could have answered the question based on this case also. This is always greater than equal to 2, and this will definitely be less than equal to 2. The only possible way to make them equal is having the both expression equal to 2, but a same value of x will not make the left hand side as well as the right hand side equal to 2. Therefore, the answer to the question is second option. This was the question number 14, CAT 2020 slot 1. Look at the question number 15 here, right? So 15 question are those question of CAT 2020 slot 1 which could have been solved without using even pen and paper, right? These are the questions that could be solved under 1 minute with 1 minute 1 question approach. That means, and that will give you around 45 marks. 45 marks in CAT 2020 will give you very good percentile in CAT 2020 paper. You will get 99 plus percentile at 45 marks if you check the score, right? 98 plus is definitely the score at 45 plus marks, right? I need to properly verify whether you will be getting 99 plus or 98 plus in 45, but a very good percentile can be achieved at 45 marks. Look at this question. X is equal to 4096 raised to power 7 plus 4 root 3, then which of the following equals to 64? Again, a very simple question. 4096, you should know it is a square of 64. You should be that comfortable with the numbers that the moment you look at the number 4096, you should get to know that it's a square of 64. Now, if I want this expression if I want this expression to be equal to 64, that means this expression should be equal to 1. That means 2 times of 7 plus 4 root 3 should be equal to 1. And the question is asking me, what should I multiply this expression with? What should I multiply this expression with? Or if x is equal to this, then which of this following expression is equal to 64? Okay. So if I want this expression to be equal to 64 and x is given as this value, you see that this is 7 plus 4 root 3. That's an irrational number here. And if I want this number to be equal to 1, that means I need the product of these to be equal to 1 by 2, right? And you see that you must have heard a square minus b square. This is a basic algebraic identity. A square minus b square is a minus b into a plus b, right? If one of this expression is 7 plus 4 root 3, to make it equal to 1, you see that I need to have a conjugate root of this. What is the conjugate root of this? Would be 7 minus 4 root 3. Why? 7 ka square would be 49 and minus 4 root 3 square would be 48, that is 1. That means I definitely need 7 minus 4 root 3 here, and I also need to settle down to, I also need something in the denominator part as equal to 2 also. Now tell me which expression here will give you 7 minus 4 root 3 in the multiplication of it and 2 in the denominator also. You see that, right? Looking at this expression, you see that the first expression is x raised to power 7 minus 4 root 3. Will it work? It will not work. Why? Because I need 2 in the denominator also. This expression is 7 by 2 minus 4 root 3. So this is not the expression that I'm looking for. I'm looking for 7 minus 4 root 3 by 2. If you look at this expression, this is x raised to power 7 minus 2 root 3. This is not the answer. If you look at this expression, this is x power 7 by 2 minus 2 root 3. This is what I am looking for, because this is nothing but 7 minus 4 root 3 by 2, and this is what I need to make it equal to 1. So if x is given as this value, x power 7 by 2 divided by x by raised to power 2 root 3, we'll make sure that this will get cancelled. This whole expression will be equal to 1 and this will be equal to finally 64. So therefore option D is the correct answer of the question. A simple question from algebra, very easy one. So see that most of the questions can be done with smart approaches without going much in the equation part. So if you want to learn the approaches, these approaches for your CAT 2021, if this is the way you want to attend the paper, you can join me on Unacademy Plus using my referral code LRDISMEER. Right, you can attend all of my special classes as well as plus classes on the platform, and this is the code that you need to use to purchase Unacademy Plus subscription with the maximum discount. I have already given you the information on the CAT value offering, right? 3,000 plus hours of live classes for CAT 2021 will be conducted on Unacademy platform. And there is an Unacademy Combat series also that you can join, which is happening on once in a 14 days period. Last it was conducted on 24th of January, so after a gap of 15 days, 2 weeks after this, Unacademy Combat will be conducted again. It's India's largest fortnightly contest for CAT, where challenging CAT questions created by the best educators will be given to you. And by participating in Unacademy Combat, you also get to know your real-time ranking of where do you stand against your competitors, and you will also be given the detailed video solution by the top educators. These are the exciting prizes that you can also win. You can also win rank 1 to 3 will be given 6-month CAT Plus subscription and 1,000 rupees Amazon voucher as well. So join Unacademy Plus, join the Unacademy Combat also to test yourself and also to check where do you stand. Thank you so much for watching the video, and to subscribe to Unacademy Combat also you can use my referral code LRDISMEER. This is the code that you can use for Unacademy Combat registration. Thank you. See you in the next part of the video.